What's up, mind shooting Leuten? It's Avi, back again with another video. This time I decided to paint or color the tribute portrait of my man Biz Markie. Rest in peace, Biz. We all love you. Man, this one hit hard, so I wanted to do a little bit more and add color. This time I used a combination of watercolor pencils and the traditional watercolor paints in the tube. I love Daniel Smith watercolors that come in the tube, and you can either buy the set, I think, in half pans or the tube, I believe. I'll put the details about that in the description box. And then I also used, I have new watercolor pencils by Derwent. I'll do a separate drawing with those. And then I also use the Caran D Ache watercolor pencils. I had a great time. Love this guy. And so it was actually quite fun and very cathartic. As I often say, you know, art is my therapy. So it was nice to pay tribute to him with the ink drawing, and then go ahead and add color. Anyone, excuse me, anyone who knows me knows I'm a huge hip hop head, big fan of classic golden era hip hop music, artists like Biz Markie, Fat Boys, Houdini, Dougie Fresh. I mean, just so many of the old school DJs and MCs that really started the genre and started the hip-hop movement. It's a culture, right? Not just music. It's not just rap, but hip-hop is a full 5-element culture. So I love doing this painting, and like I said, the watercolor pencils blended well together. I wasn't sure if that would be the case, and so I'm actually very happy with the result of using the different color blends. I did I still kept it at a limited palette. If you follow my channel and you've seen the self-portraits I've been doing for my allergy comic, which includes myself, I've been using red, orange, and a little green highlights for the skin tone, and just, you know, maybe a little bit brown. I think I used umber for this particular drawing, painting. But yeah, I really had a good time. I'm learning about the Derwent watercolor pencils. It's the Derwent Academy watercolor pencils. I'm not sure if there's another level or tier of quality. This is the Academy. I don't know if there's a studio or professional level of pencil. But I like the Academy pencils so far. And so yeah, I typically like to use a limited palette, and for this particular drawing I use multiple references. So the source of light, I wanted to use some bright colors to highlight that, and just kind of go crazy too with the background wash that you'll see in a moment. Right now I'm focusing on Biz Markie's clothing and his face. And I really appreciate you guys watching. If you've made it this far, I really want you to comment, like, and share. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer using traditional watercolor, use digital coloring, but even when you do traditional, you like watercolor pencils, you like watercolors that come in the brushes, or do you like tube paints where you select your own colors and create your own palette, or even half pans, travel size half pans? I like most of them all. I haven't used the watercolor brushes with the pre-mixed watercolor paints in a very, very long time, but I like half pans and I like tubes as well. Like I said, the Daniel Smith paints are brilliant. They're beautifully made, lots of pigment, lots of vibrancy, and yeah, so far these watercolor pencils have been a lot of fun. Again, please comment, like, and share. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified so you know when the new video is coming up. And make sure you let everyone on your social media platforms know. Share it to all of your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, even here on YouTube. If you click the like button or watch more videos, that lets YouTube know that you like my content and sort of pushes the videos to the front and makes it more accessible. All my videos more accessible for search, and they pop up on the front page more readily if you're watching other videos and clicking that like button. Again, I appreciate you watching I appreciate you watching along on this video so far. And again, leave a comment. Let me know what your preferred method of painting is. And I really hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Have a good one.